KDAB is a software services company primarily. We help people usually who are good with some kind of hardware to put the software component into it. KDAB provides all sorts of migration services. We started doing migrations from WinCE to Linux. WinCE is going out of support, so some of our customers are running devices like that and they have to migrate to another platform. And we gathered the knowledge that and our experience that we got through this project in a white paper for others to get some information about it and help them in this kind of migration projects. Toradex and particularly Torizon give some benefits that are very suitable for this kind of projects because Torizon gives you a nice integrated development environment based on VS Code, and you can stay on Windows actually while developing it and have your project be built in Windows Subsystem for Linux. So likely, if you were a Windows shop, your developers were targeting WinCE, you are on Windows, so the transition may be easier. Plus, Toradex provides nice templates for the Torizon projects that are likely your target technologies. Like if you are, for example, migrating from WinForms, there is decent chance that you want to stay on C# and, for example, target Avalonia or Uno platform, and both of them are nicely packaged in Torizon templates. Similar, if you are migrating away from MFC, there is decent chance that you will be using Qt as your target UI technology. So Torizon has a template for that as well. So we found that Torizon here is a decent target for this kind of migration project.